Welcome to AI Response.
Hello. To make a GIF, you can follow these steps. Prepare the content, decide what you want your GIF to show. It can be a series of images, a video clip, or a combination of both. Choose a software or online tool. There are various software applications and online tools available for creating GIFs. Here are a few popular options. Adobe Photoshop. This powerful image editing software allows you to create GIFs from image sequences or video files. Giphy provides an online GIF maker that allows you to create GIFs from images, videos, or by importing a video link. GIF is another online platform that offers GIF making tools, including the ability to create GIFs from images or videos. Create your GIF. Using Adobe Photoshop, open Adobe Photoshop and go to File, Scripts, Load Files into Stack. Select the images or video frames you want to include in your GIF. Arrange the layers in the desired sequence. Go to Window Timeline to open the Timeline panel. In the Timeline panel, click the menu icon and select Create Frame Animation or Create Video Timeline, depending on the version of Photoshop you are using. Set the timing and looping options for each frame. Preview your GIF and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, go to File, Export, Save for Web, Legacy, and select GIF as the file format. Using Giphy or SGIF online tools, visit the respective website, Giphy or SGIF, and find the GIF creation tool. Upload your images or video file, or import a video link. Adjust the timing, frame order, and other settings as needed. Preview your GIF to ensure it looks as desired. Once satisfied, click the Create GIF or similar button to generate your GIF. Download the created GIF to your computer. Share and use your GIF. Once you have created your GIF, you can share it on social media platforms, websites, or use it in various projects. Remember, GIFs can have limitations in terms of size and quality, so make sure to optimize your GIF for the desired purpose.
Everything you saw and heard was created by an AI. Specifically, the content was generated by ChatGPT through OpenAI.com. And the video was created with Syntheses.io, which is a voice-to-text and text-to-video software. There is an affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button and like the video. Have a good day!